Hi, this is Anuj Antony from Karni University. You are 15 CS 170. So today I'm with my fourth video of data structure. So here's the question. I have to show the implementation of stack and queue using linked list. So here's the program. In this program, I use the header file as IOStream and the standard library function as using namespace std, where std is a standard function which is used for all the cout and in. For this program, I created a structure named as node. Inside the structure, I declared data of int type and of node pointer nest. So again, I declared some variable as head, top, front queue, rear queue, temp, which I initialize everything as null. So for the stack, we will go in the function known as push. In the push function, I'm taking a variable as temp and I'm initializing it as a new node. I'm creating a new node through this. So it will ask to enter the data and it will take the value as data temp arrow data. So in next line, the value of the temp will be top. So top is equal to temp. This is the push function. So in void pop, if top in void pop function, I given a condition as if top is equal to null. This means if the condition is true, then it is an empty stack. Then I given a value condition at temp is equal to top. I initialize temp is equal to top, and the top value will be initialized to the nest. So the element will be deleted through this temp arrow data, and it will delete. So now I'm going to a display function. Display function I given a condition as top is equal to null. If top is equal to null is true, means it is an empty stack. Then the temp will be is equal to top. Then it will print the value and then I used a while command. If temp is not equal to null, this means it will print the data and it will initialize at temp is equal to temp arrow nest. It will implement to the nest. So that's the end of the stack. Now we will go for the queue. Queue using a linked list. In queue, we are using three function: insert, deletion, and display. This is the insert function. Insert function also I declare a variable as temp and creating is equal to as new node. So it will ask the user to enter the data and we store as a temp arrow data and the condition is the temp arrow nest is equal to null. Whatever the value of temp which will be the nest, I initialize it as null. And if front queue is equal to null, this means that front queue and rear queue both will be initialized it as temp. Okay, and the value of the nest rear will be as null. If not, it will go as rear queue nest is equal to temp. And now the rear queue arrow nest will be is equal to none. This is the insert one. And now it is a delete function for the q1. If in delete function, if the condition is if front queue is equal to null, this means it is an empty queue. If not, a temp, I declare a value of temp and temp is equal to front queue, and the front queue will be initialized as a nest and it will delete the element. And this is a display one. For display, again a condition is there: front queue is equal to null, means it will print as empty queue, and in this also command is the temp is equal to front queue and it will print. If the temp is not equal to null, it will print the data. So temp is equal to temp arrow nest. So that's the end of the queue. So inside the main is useful for printing the output and declare inside the main character are there ch of character type n of int type, and do while loop is used. This in for one is for stacks and second is queue and third is for exit. If n is equal to 1, it will do for the stack one. Means if n is equal to 1, it will print the push. If n is equal to 2, it will print as pop function, and if n is equal to 3, it will print the display, and if n is equal to 4, it will go back. If not, it will show as wrong choice. Else, if n is equal to 2, it will show the queue operation. Queue operation will show and insert, delete, display. If n is equal to 1, it will show as insert, n is equal to 2, it will show as delete, and n is equal to 3, it will show as display, and if n is equal to 4, it will go back. So it's a set command is which I used. So now we can see the output. It is asking stack Q8. Now I'm giving for stack. I'm giving enter a choice as push 1, enter data anything 12. Want to continue? Yeah, yes. Enter again push something value as 23. Want to continue? Yeah. Why? Now I will display. It's coming as 23 and 12. Again I'm entering at y, and now I'm doing a pop function. So the element deleted is 23. This is the stack one. Now again I will y 4. It will go back. I want to continue. Yes. Y. Now it will. Now I'm doing for the second q1. I'm inserting any value for the q and data as something at 10. Want to continue? Yes. Insert something 20. Okay. Want to continue? Yes. Y. Then display is coming as 10 and 20, and y. Now I will do for the delete. The element deleted is 10. So here's the end of the program. Thank you for watching this video.